channel. Today I will be unboxing the January Boxycharm. I'll be listing each product as I go and their prices right below. So let's get into it. The first product I see here is the Boxycharm Roscara Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. I've gotten quite a few Boxycharm leave-in conditioning products like this. So I'm actually pretty glad to get another bottle. These are great for traveling too. And they leave your hair really soft. It doesn't weigh my hair down too much. I have very thin, fine hair, so I have to be careful about leave-in treatments because it can really bring down the volume in my hair. But this does a pretty good job in not making me lose my volume. So I'm excited to have that. The next product I see here, which I was so excited to get when I saw their promos on Instagram, is the Tarte Rainforest by the Sea Volume 3 eyeshadow palette. I have one of their other eyeshadow palettes. I think it's Volume 1, I believe. But this is the highlighter one, which I did not have and really wanted because I think they had 3 options which you could have gotten. And thankfully I got the one I wanted, which was the highlighting one. Oh, look at those gorgeous shades. I don't think the lights in my camera does it justice right now because all the shades are super shimmery and metallic and so nice. The other Rainforest by the Sea Tarte eyeshadow palette I have has like a mix of mattes and shimmers, but this is all shimmer, which is great. I can see why they call it the highlighter palette because you can use any of these shades to apply on your eyelid and also as highlights, inner corner highlights, brow bone highlights. And honestly, I even use some eyeshadow as cheekbone highlights because, they're pretty much the same thing as a powder, right? So I would not mind dipping my brush in one of these gorgeous shades and using it as a cheekbone highlight as well. So I'm so excited to have this. And look at this. Let's talk about this gorgeous packaging. Look at all that gold. And look at the front of the palette. Oh, it's so pretty. It looks like a mermaid. And it's pretty nice weight too. I mean, all these Tarte Rainforest by Sea products have such gorgeous packaging. So the next product I see here, which is another product I was so excited to get, is this Ofra liquid lipstick in the color Havana Nights. This was their collaboration with Kathleen Lice here on YouTube. She came out with 2 shades. It was Miami Fever, which I already have and I love. It's like a gorgeous burnt orange terracotta color. And this one I actually did not have and I'm so excited to have. I'm actually wearing it right now. And it's, like I said, it's called Havana Nights. And it's a nice deep red, kind of like a brownish red. Like a deep brown red, and it's just perfect for winter right now. It'd be perfect for fall. So I am so excited to have these. And Ofra liquid lipsticks formulas are really, really nice. They don't flake on me. They don't transfer. They're really comfortable to wear because a lot of liquid lipsticks are very drying, but these Ofra ones are really nice. They're not drying. They're really comfortable to wear. They last all day long. And let's talk about this gorgeous color. Oh, it's so pretty. So the next product I see here is the $1 Billion Brows Brow Pencil. And I am so excited to have this because I actually just ran out of my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Witch, which is my holy grail brow pencil. And I needed a new one. And this is really, really nice. I actually used it on my brows today. It's so nice and creamy and it seems to stay on really well and cling onto my eyebrow hairs really well. And as you can see, it has a spoolie on one end, just like the Brow Wiz does. A nice spoolie, because a lot of eyebrow pencils I get, they're in subscription boxes, have a really crappy, cheap spoolie, but this is a really nice spoolie. It really combs through your brows really well. And I thought it was going to be like one of those sharpening kind of pencil, but actually it's a mechanical pencil, just like the Brow Wiz. So I'm very excited about that because I don't want to have to sharpen an eyebrow pencil. So it has quite a bit of product. The only difference about this brow pencil compared to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz is that the tip is a lot thicker. It's not as thin and defined as the Brow Wiz, but honestly, it's really, really nice. I mean, I don't really care it's a thicker pencil. It just really glides on your eyebrows so effortlessly. So I'm very excited to have that. And the last product we have here are these sheet masks from Tatcha. Am I saying that right? Tatcha. And it's a Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Now, the first time I ever heard about Tatcha was from some YouTube videos I've heard of people reviewing their dewy face setting spray, which looked amazing, but it's super expensive. Which is why I never bought it for myself, because it is way too pricey for a setting spray. But I'm so excited to use their sheet mask, and I didn't even know they had sheet masks. So I'm so excited to have these, and the fact that they're dewy skin luminous sheet masks is ideal for me because my skin type is very, very dry, especially in the winter. My face gets super dry, so I need something that's very moisturizing and brings a lot of glow to my face. So I'm excited to try that, and it comes with two, so that's pretty generous. You can try it twice for a nice little spa day. Maybe I'll do one on myself and one for the hubby. We'll see. So that's all I got in my Boxycharm this month, and I'm so excited about all the products I received because I actually want to use all these products. A lot of times I receive products from subscription boxes and I end up, using it for giveaways or giving to family and friends because I already have those products, or it's not something I'm not too crazy about trying. But this month, they knocked it out of the park. I mean, all these products are amazing, and I actually want use them all. So way to go, Boxycharm. Way to start out the new year. So I'll show you what I get in my Boxycharm next month. Bye. And I actually used it today on my eyebrows. As you can see, it is very, very... Just... Oh, shit. Okay, we're good.
Yeah.
The only different...
Just let it out.
So I am very pleased with this month's Boxycharm. Like, wait. Wait.